because I don't want to touch the cheese.
With your infectious diseases. Actually, I'm going to take the bread off. It's a safe.
You can microwave the bread too. Warm it up a tad.
You got cookies in there.
Did she grab your burger?
Just part of it. It's okay. I didn't want that piece of bread anyway.
Really see the rain.
Josie, get off. Dirt flavor.
My favorite!
Really? I had gum in my mouth. That wouldn't work.
It'd be gross.
I don't want to get wet.
I'm gonna have to since you're already stolen.